These days, cooking vlogs have taken over the internet on TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. I know you might be wondering, how are people creating these videos and getting views? In this video, I'm going to take you step by step through how you can create a beautiful cooking vlog for free, using free tools only. And if you've ever wanted to start a cooking vlog without showing your face, this is your sign. Let's get started.
This is what I told ChatGPT. I said, I want you to help me with a cooking vlog of a beautiful Nigerian lady making a bean cake, that is akara. The processes should be well accurate, step-by-step process, and well detailed. I want scene by scene with dialogues for each scene. All right, so this is the result it gave me. So this is the title, which is making perfect Nigerian akara. And this is step 1, the introduction, I understand. And step 2, ingredients. Step 3, soaking and peeling off the beans, the blending beans, whisking and heating the oil, frying the akara, removing and draining, and final presentation. So this is what it actually gave me. And now I told ChatGPT I want an image description of the lady. So this is the image description of the lady. Now you can as well use your, it's either you use your image, you can use your photo, all right, and you can just use this description. All right, so this is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to click here and I'm going to select all this, the description. I'm going to select it and paste it in my notepad. So I'll still copy another one and paste it in my notepad. So I'm going to copy this image description. I'm going to go browser, just type whisk. All right, just type whisk. So I'm going to use Wix for this image generation. Remember, you can as well use ImageFS, but I want to use Wix because Wix give me the exact thing I want. You can upload your image in Wix, while in ImageFS you can't upload your image. You understand? All right, so I'm gonna move over here and you're gonna upload your image if you want to upload your image, or if you want to paste your prompt. So I'm gonna click on upload image, and all right, so this is the image that I used. So this is the image. Okay, so I'm gonna click here and download it. Use your 16:9. You know what is best? This trending video is mostly trending in TikTok and Facebook. All right, you can also use this in YouTube. All right, so for the best betterment of this tutorial, I think you should change your aspect ratio. Just change your aspect ratio. I'm gonna click here and change my aspect ratio to 9:16. All right, so and I'm going to generate the image again. All right, so this is the image that was generated. Okay, and I added an description which says Coach Mira AI. So I'm gonna click here now and download it. Let's download it here. Our image is downloaded. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to go to Grok AI. In Grok AI, just select Imagine. Then select Imagine. This is where I'm going to upload your image. I'm going to upload the image here. Select Imagine. This is where we are going to upload our image here. All right, so I'm going to upload the image I generated. So this is the image I generated. I'm going to upload it. It's animating. I'm going back to my notepad and I'm going back to my notepad. Okay, so these are the dialogue. All right, so this is the introduction. So I'm going to copy it and paste it here.
Today, I'll be showing you how to make perfect Nigerian akara. It is on here how to make crust flat to fill the air. Today, I'll be showing you how to make...
All right, so this is the introduction, which she did it perfectly well. And remember to give this command, no background sound should be heard. All right, you know, Grok has this weird background sound that is kind of annoying. So this is the steps you're going to take to achieve your reach. This is the first step. Now I told ChatGPT I need an image description for each scene. All right, so remember she's in the same scene but doing different thing. All right, so I'm gonna hit generate. I want an image description. We're going to work with this image description where she's peeling off the beans, where she's washing it, where she's blending, where she's frying, you understand. So this is the description, the same lady doing different things. All right, so this is it. All right, so this, as you can see, removing and draining, final presentation, testing, and that is it. All right, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this. I'll copy it, then I'm going to paste it here in my notepad. I'm going to paste it here. All right, so I'm going to generate these images one after the other. We've generated the introduction. All right, that's the first image. Generated her where she was doing the introduction of what she's going to do. Now I'm going to highlight this as well. I'm going to copy this. This is the second description. So we are moving over to Risk A. All right, so when you go to Risk AI, this is what you're going to do. Just click here. When you click here, you are not going to drop the prompt again. What you're going to do is this: just follow my instructions, click here and upload your image. That image you generated from Risk, that's the image you are going to use for this. Right, in order to maintain a consistent character, you're going to, when uploading the image, the next thing I'm going to do now is to press the prompt here. I'm going to press the prompt here. So this prompt is going to help us to display what she's actually doing. All right, so you're going to see the result now. All right, so this is the image it generated. This is it. These are the what she's going to use to prepare the akara. This is the vegetable oil, the beans, and the onion and fresh pepper. So it's still the same thing here. Okay, it actually captures the lady's hands. All right, just click on it and you're going to download it. So I'm moving over to scene 3. I wouldn't want this video to be too lengthy. I'm going to copy it. Just follow the same procedure in generating all your images. All right, follow the same procedure. So I'm going to change this and I'm going to hit generate. Remember, you're going to leave that image there. It's going to be there. You're not going to remove it. The only thing you're going to change is your prompt. You're going to change your prompt. All right, so this is her hands where she's peeling off the beans. All right, the beans back. So just follow the same method. All right, follow the same method in generating all your images, her actions. All right, follow the same method. You're going to get amazing results. Now I'm done generating my images then by scene. So this is how. So this is me generating. I've generated all the images, as you can see, scene by scene, right from the washing, the frying and everything, the blending and all the processes. All right, so now I'm going back to Grok AI, and I selected images. So you're going to upload your image. Okay, we're going to upload our image now. Remember, you're going to upload the second image. So these are the images I generated. So this is this next image I'm going to upload. So while it's still uploading, I'm going back to my notepad and I'm going for the dialogue. So this is the dialogue. This is the visual and the dialogue, what she was doing. All right, so I'm going to copy it and paste it here. So as you can see, this is what she was doing. I'm going to paste it here. All right, it is loading. Our video is ready.
These are the ingredients we'll be using today. Simple, affordable, and very Nigerian.
As you can see, this is the ingredients we are using. As you can see, it's well detailed and the visual actually display all of them. The main focus was the ingredient, all right, the things that are to be used for the akara preparation. So after that, you hit download. Scene 3. These are the procedure you're going to use to achieve this. It's very, very easy. So I'm going to this is soaking of the beans. I'm peeling the beans. So I'm going to copy this prompt. I'm going to copy this and I'll move over here. So we are going back to upload another image. Okay. So all right, so this is soaking of the beans, peeling of the beans. So So I'm going to use this one. I'm going to upload it. And all right, this is it. I'm going to paste my prompt. Our video is ready.
In from 10 minutes. This makes it easy to remove the skin. Now, I gently rub the beans with my hands. In from
Okay, can you see that? So after that, you hit download. Next step is this one. I'm going to upload this image where she was blending everything. Okay. All right, so this is the next one. I've uploaded my dialogue and the visual. So I've pasted it. So let's see. Our video is ready. So let's watch and see.
Please don't add too much water, just enough to help the blender move. The paste should be thick, not watery. If it's too runny, your akara will soak oil.
This is beautiful.
When you see the batter getting lighter and fluffy like this, you introduce air. When you see
Next step, oil heating up. So I'm going to press this here.
heating my oil on medium heat, not too hot, not too cold. If the oil is too hot, the akara will brown outside and stay raw inside.
So she's testing the hot oil to know if the hot oil is ready for use. So I'm going to download this. Now this step is where she starts frying the akara. Alright, so I'm going to press this here. Alright, so this is where she's frying it. Our video is ready, so let's see the results.
Scooping the batter carefully and frying in batches. Please don't overcrowd the pan. Give your yolk that beautiful golden color. This is exactly what we want.
This is where the akara is ready and she's scooping them out.
Once they're golden brown, I take them out and let the excess oil drain.
If this video is already making sense to you, like this video and subscribe to the channel. I share simple, practical tutorials on how to create content, grow your page, and monetize, even as a beginner. Also, drop a comment below and tell me, are you starting with TikTok, Facebook, or YouTube?
And now we are going to upload the last one where she was eating her akara. Alright, the last scene. So, our video is ready.
And here we have it. Soft, fluffy, and crispy akara.
This is perfect. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next vlog.
Now, after generating your videos, the next thing you are going to do is to go to CapCut, select your videos one after the other, go to download. You're going to see all of them. So you're going to copy them. You're going to select them one after the other. Just select them to arrange them. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to increase the volume. You increase the volume of all of them. All right, so I've done that. The next thing I'm going to do is to select auto caption. All right, auto caption is ready. So you can as well add your background sound. If you export your work.
If you've ever wondered why your akara absorbs oil or turns flat, stay with me till the end. Today, I'll be showing you how to make perfect Nigerian akara. If you're only how to make crust flat till the end. These are the ingredients we'll be using today. Simple, affordable, and very Nigerian. In from 10 minutes. This makes it easy to remove the skin. Now, I gently rub the beans with my hand. Please don't add too much water, just enough to help the blender move. The paste should be thick, not watery. If it's too runny, your akara will soak oil. When you see the batter getting lighter and fluffy like this, you know you're doing it right. Salt to taste, small seasoning cube optional. Heating my oil on medium heat, not too hot, not too cold. If the oil is too hot, the akara will brown outside and stay raw inside. Scooping the batter carefully and frying in batches. Please don't overcrowd the pan. Give your yolk that beautiful golden color. This is exactly what we want. Once they're golden brown, I take them out and let the excess oil drain. And here we have it. Soft, fluffy, and crispy akara. This is perfect. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next vlog.
And that's it. You've just learned how to create a faceless cooking vlog from start to finish without spending any money. If you follow these steps and stay consistent, you can start building your presence on TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who wants to start content creation but doesn't know where to begin. I'll see you in my next tutorial.